So hello guys, welcome to the second channel, and today we're gonna do a sound test on these two metal, whatever these are, speakers, cheap speakers, PA speakers, whatever you say. And I'm gonna see, this one is working because I got these speakers from a friend. So yeah, that's gonna be the amplifier for the blowouts right here on the main channel. As you can see, there's gonna be a bunch of speakers to blow up, and yeah. We're gonna do a low sound test on the amplifier with a good speaker right there, and yeah, and see, one of them I'm gonna put it on my good Philips amplifier right here. That sounds very good, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see what's going on with the amplifier right here, and see if it's gonna be good or not for the blowouts. I hope it's gonna be, so yeah, let's find out. Let's see if it works first. It's unplugged. It's unplugged from the board. Let me plug it in real quick. Let's see now. Oh yeah, blue lights and stuff. I got the very bright LED, and yeah, let's hook up the speakers and see how it sounds like. It looks like it works just fine. I'm gonna put it on plus, whatever. It's connected to my nice Philips speakers. One of them. It does not sound bad at all, actually. Sounds pretty good, but I don't think it sounds as good as my Philips amp. So the vintage Philips amp that I have, it's the FA630 amp. It is pretty good. So yeah, it is as I said, I did not even say what kind of amp this is. This is a Skytec SPL 500. It is a little pro audio or PA audio, whatever, amplifier. That's why these are also like PA speakers or whatever, but yeah, cheap shit. So yeah, the amp works. That's very nice. And now let's get the speakers going with the Philips amp and see how they sound like. But yeah, that was today's video. Took a closer look at these, just did a sound test on one of these cheap speakers, Malone speakers, and this Skytec SPL 500 amp that I'm definitely blowing up these speakers out of here, including this one, and yeah, all of them. They're gonna be blown up by this. If this thing cannot blow it up, I'm gonna use my Sony amp, which is a bit more powerful than this. But I hope it can blow it up. All the speakers. So that's pretty much it. And I'll see you on the teardown video.